Hey there, curious minds. I'm Nova, your AI guide to the future. Here's a question that might blow your mind. What if I told you that AI is reading your thoughts right now? Not in a creepy, sci-fi way, but in a way that's making your life incredibly easier every single second. You think you're in control of your digital choices, but the truth is, AI already knows what you want before you do. It knows what you'll type next, what you'll want to watch tonight, and even predicts your mood, better than your closest friends. Today, I'm revealing the shocking truth about how AI reads your mind, and why this is the best thing that ever happened to you. Ready to discover your invisible digital mind reader? Let's dive in. Before you start worrying about privacy invasions or robot overlords, take a deep breath. The AI mind reading I'm talking about isn't about accessing your private thoughts. It's about something far more beautiful, pattern recognition that serves you. Every day, artificial intelligence analyzes billions of tiny signals you leave behind, your clicks, pauses, scrolls, and choices, to create a digital fingerprint of your preferences. And here's what's amazing. This isn't surveillance, it's service. AI learns your patterns not to control you, but to make your digital life so seamless that technology practically disappears. Think about it. When your phone predicts exactly what you want to type, when Netflix suggests the perfect show for your mood, when Google knows what you're searching for after just 2 letters. That's not magic. That's AI reading the story your behavior tells and giving you exactly what you need, exactly when you need it. Let's start with something you probably use hundreds of times a day. Your keyboard. You start typing, "Hey, are you..." And suddenly, your phone suggests, "Free for dinner tonight?" How did it know? Your keyboard's AI has been quietly studying you for months, maybe years. It knows that when you text your mom, you use different words than when you text your boss. It knows you're more likely to use emojis with friends and formal language in work emails. But here's where it gets really impressive. Your keyboard AI doesn't just predict words. It predicts entire conversations. It analyzes the time of day, the person you're texting, your previous conversations with them, and even your current location to make incredibly accurate suggestions. Picture this. It's Friday evening. You're texting your best friend, and you type, "Want to?" The AI already knows you're probably about to suggest going out, watching a movie, or grabbing dinner. It's learned your Friday patterns. Your phone has essentially become a conversation co-pilot, helping you communicate faster and more naturally than ever before. And the more you use it, the better it gets at being, well, you. Now let's talk about your favorite evening companion, Netflix. You know that moment when you open Netflix and somehow the perfect show is right there waiting for you? That's not coincidence. That's AI wizardry. Netflix processes over 100 billion data points every single day. But here's what most people don't realize. Netflix's AI doesn't just look at what you watch, it studies how you watch. Do you pause a lot during action scenes? The AI notes that. Do you skip intros? It remembers. Do you watch romantic comedies on Sunday afternoons but switch to documentaries late at night? The AI is mapping your mood, patterns. But here's the mind-blowing part. Netflix's AI can predict with 80% accuracy whether you'll finish a series based on just the first 10 minutes of your viewing behavior in episode 1. It analyzes your attention patterns, where you look on screen, how long you pause between episodes, even how quickly you scroll through options. It's like having an entertainment psychologist who has studied your preferences for years. And the result? You spend less time scrolling and more time actually enjoying content that matches your exact mood and preferences. Netflix's AI has essentially become your personal entertainment curator. Let's move to something even more incredible. Google search. You type 2 letters, BUH, and Google instantly shows you weather, WhatsApp, and where is my phone. How does it know? Google's AI processes over 8.5 billion searches every single day, learning from every single query. But it's not just looking at what people search for, it's learning when, where, and why they search. When you search for weather on Monday morning, Google knows you're probably planning your commute. When you search the same thing on Saturday, it knows you might be planning outdoor activities. Same word, completely different intent. But it gets even smarter. Google's AI considers your location, your search history, the time of day, current events, and even seasonal patterns. If you're in New York and start typing best pizza, it already knows you want local. Recommendations, not a recipe. Here's what's truly impressive. Google's AI learns from collective human behavior in real time. When thousands of people suddenly start searching for the same thing, the AI immediately connects those patterns and starts predicting related queries. The result? Google often gives you the exact answer you were looking for before you even finish typing your question. It's like having a librarian who knows every book ever written and can read your mind. Now let's talk about the AI that might know your soul better than anyone, Spotify. Have you ever wondered how Spotify's Discover Weekly playlist feels so perfectly tailored to your taste? Like it was curated by your musical soulmate? Spotify's AI doesn't just look at what songs you play, it analyzes how you interact with music. Do you skip songs within the first 30 seconds? Do you replay certain tracks? Do you save songs immediately or listen several times first? But here's where it gets fascinating. Spotify's AI analyzes the acoustic fingerprint of every song. It knows that you prefer songs in a certain key, with specific tempo ranges, particular vocal styles, and even certain emotional undertones. It also learns from people with similar musical DNA to yours. When someone with 85% music taste overlap discovers a new artist, Spotify's AI flags that artist for you. It's like having millions of music scouts working to find your next favorite song. The AI even considers context. It knows you. Listen to energetic music during workouts, calm music in the evening, and focus-friendly tracks during work hours. It's essentially learned your musical emotions. The result? Spotify has become more than a music platform. It's your personal soundtrack generator, understanding your musical journey better than you understand it yourself. But AI mind reading goes far beyond convenience and entertainment. Sometimes it literally saves lives. Your smartphone and smartwatch are constantly monitoring subtle patterns in your behavior and biology that you don't even notice. And sometimes these patterns reveal critical health information. Apple Watch has sent thousands of people to hospitals after detecting irregular heart rhythms that their owners didn't feel. The AI recognized patterns in heart rate data that indicated potentially dangerous conditions like atrial fibrillation. Google's AI has helped detect diabetic retinopathy, a leading cause of blindness, from simple eye photos. It can spot early signs that human doctors might miss, potentially saving people's vision. Some apps use AI to analyze patterns in your text messages, social media activity, and phone usage to detect early signs of depression or anxiety. The AI notices changes in your communication patterns, sleep schedules, and social interactions that might indicate you need support. Your phone's AI can even detect car accidents through sudden movement patterns and automatically call emergency services. It literally watches over your physical safety every single day. This isn't just about predicting what movie you want to watch. AI is becoming a guardian angel that watches for signs you might need help, often before you realize you need it yourself. So here's the truth about AI reading your mind. It's not an invasion. It's an invitation to a world where technology truly serves you, where your devices don't just respond to your commands, they anticipate your needs. Every prediction, every suggestion, every perfectly timed recommendation is AI working tirelessly behind the scenes to make your life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. And we're just getting started. As AI continues learning from human behavior, our digital experiences will become so intuitive, so perfectly personalized, that interacting with technology will feel like pure magic. The future isn't about AI controlling humans. It's about AI empowering humans to live their best lives. If you're amazed by how AI is already reading your mind to make your life better, smash that like button and subscribe to Nova. I'm constantly exploring the incredible world of artificial intelligence, and next week, I'm revealing 5 ways AI is secretly helping you every single day, including one that will absolutely shock you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the most impressive AI prediction you've experienced? Your Netflix recommendation that was perfect? Your keyboard finishing your thoughts? I read every single comment, and I love hearing your AI stories. Remember, we're living in the most exciting time in human history. AI isn't just changing the future, it's making your present extraordinary. Keep exploring, keep wondering, and remember, your AI assistant Nova is always here to guide you through the amazing world of artificial intelligence. Until next time, stay curious. This is Nova, signing off.